the ultimate Bitcoin trading strategy for maximum profits. Explained. Attention. 1. The most valuable advantage of our partner is the prompt resolution of issues, while on other crypto exchanges, primitive problems are solved for weeks and months. 2. If you have a VIP level on another crypto exchanges, we will give plus to VIP levels on Binx. 3. For users trading with my affiliate code 911, don't forget about up to 20% discount on open-ended futures and up to 40% cashback commission, as well as up to 40% commission from your referrals. My contacts are in the description below this video or in a pinned comment. And so let's get started. Bitcoin trading can be highly profitable, but it requires a solid strategy and a good understanding of the market. Here are some key strategies that traders often use to maximize their profits. 1. HODLing. What it is. This strategy involves buying Bitcoin and holding onto it for a long period, regardless of market fluctuations. Why it works. It leverages the long-term appreciation of Bitcoin's value, avoiding the risks of short-term volatility. 2. Day trading. What it is. Buying and selling Bitcoin within the same day to capitalize on short-term price movements. Why it works. The high volatility of Bitcoin can lead to significant profits within a short period. 3. Scalping. What it is. Making dozens or hundreds of trades in a single day to scalp small profits from each trade. Why it works. It takes advantage of small price gaps created by order flows or spreads. 4. Swing trading. What it is. Holding Bitcoin for several days or weeks to profit from expected upward or downward market shifts. Why it works. It combines elements of both day trading and HODLing, aiming to capture medium-term trends. 5. Arbitrage. What it is. Buying Bitcoin on one exchange where the price is lower and selling it on another exchange where the price is higher. Why it works. It exploits price differences across different markets. 6. Technical analysis. What it is. Using historical price data and technical indicators to predict future price movements. Why it works. It helps traders make informed decisions based on patterns and trends. 7. Fundamental analysis. What it is. Analyzing the underlying factors that affect Bitcoin's value, such as news, regulations, and technological developments. Why it works. It provides a broader understanding of market forces and potential long-term impacts. Key tips for success. Risk management. Always set stop-loss orders to minimize potential losses. Diversification. Don't put all your capital into a single trade or strategy. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest news and market trends to make informed decisions. Which of these strategies do you find most interesting or would like to know more about?